Replacing an entry door is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It directly affects your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. While many homeowners focus on selecting the right door style, the expertise behind the installation is just as important. For homeowners in Glendale, working with local experts ensures entry door installations are tailored to the area's conditions, construction styles, and homeowner needs. Understanding local climate challenges, Glendale experiences intense sunlight, high temperatures, and seasonal weather changes that can impact how entry doors perform over time. Local professionals understand how heat exposure affects materials, seals, and finishes. This knowledge helps ensure doors are properly installed to resist warping, fading, and air leaks, giving Glendale homeowners long-lasting performance and comfort. Familiarity with local home design. Homes in Glendale vary in age, style, and construction methods. Local installers have hands-on experience with these architectural differences and know how to address unique structural details. This familiarity allows for accurate measurements, proper frame adjustments, and secure installations that fit seamlessly with existing home designs. Proper sealing for energy efficiency. Energy efficiency depends heavily on how well a door is sealed. Local experts understand where air leaks commonly occur in Glendale homes and how to prevent them. By ensuring tight seals and proper insulation, professional installers help Glendale homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Enhanced security through expert installation. Even the strongest door won't provide full protection if installed incorrectly. Local professionals ensure door frames are reinforced, locks are aligned properly, and hinges are securely fastened. For Glendale homeowners, this level of precision enhances security and provides peace of mind. Faster response and ongoing support. Working with local experts means quicker response times for consultations, installations, and follow-up service. If adjustments are needed after installation, help is close by. Glendale homeowners benefit from reliable support and professionals who stand behind their work. Knowledge of local standards and practices. Local installers stay informed about regional building practices and installation standards. This ensures each project meets expectations and avoids unnecessary complications. For Glendale homeowners, this attention to detail helps deliver smooth installations and dependable results. Personalized service and clear communication. Local professionals prioritize building strong relationships within the community. This often leads to more personalized service and open communication throughout the installation process. Glendale homeowners appreciate working with experts who understand their needs and are committed to delivering quality outcomes. Long-term value for Glendale homes. Choosing local expertise for entry door installation results in better performance, improved comfort, and lasting value. With proper installation tailored to Glendale's environment, homeowners enjoy doors that look great, perform reliably, and protect their investment. Local expertise isn't just a convenience, it's a key factor in achieving the best results for entry door installation in Glendale.